Okay, in this topic, I will discuss to you the on how to use rather the FOIL method, okay, in multiplying a expression. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, when we say FOIL method, when we say FOIL method, F stands for the FOIL. I mean the first. So this should be a first. O stands for the outer, and I stands for inner, and L stands for last. Okay? So, gamitin natin yung idea ng FOIL in um, computing this problem. So, for example number 1, we have that 2x plus 3 all over 2x plus 3 multiplied by 5x minus 4. Okay. So using the FOIL method, pwede nating masugutan itong problem na ito. Okay? So, try na natin. So, the first thing we need to do is sulat muna natin dito yung FOI. FOIL. Okay? Equal sign. Yung F na sinasabi is itong 2x at saka yung 5x. Okay? So, yun, wala. 2x and 5x, meaning to say, ito yung F. Okay? Ito yung F. What are we going to do? Isolve, i-multiply natin ito, itong 2x and the 5x. Okay? 2x multiplied by 5x is equal to 10. Tapos yung x, parehong may x, right? Meaning to say, yung x is x raised to the 2. Okay? So, itong 10x squared, ilagay natin dito. So, 10x squared. Okay. Next, how about the, burahin lang natin ito. Ay, hindi na natin buburahin pala. While the outer, yung outer naman natin sinasabi is 2x and 4. Okay? Meaning to say, nasa labas sila. Kumbaga no, or nasa gilid, rather. Okay? So, 2x times 4. Remember, merong negative si 4 dito. Meaning to say, 2x multiplied by negative 4. So, negative times positive. That is negative. Okay? Negative times positive, negative. And 4 times 2, that is 8. Okay? Wala nang kasama si x. Meaning to say, i-copy na lang natin siya. Okay? So, meron na tayong outer, which is negative 8. X. Okay? Next. Tapos na tayo dito sa 2. Okay, punta naman tayo sa inner. Inner, ibig sabihin itong 3. Okay? 3 and 5. Ayan. 3 and 5. So, 3 times 5, that is 15. And wala namang kasama si x. So, ibig sabihin, that is x na lang. Copy na lang. So, this is 15x. And yung last natin, si 3 multiplied by negative 4. Yan yung sinatawag nilang L or last. So, positive 3 times negative 4. Positive times negative, that is negative. And 3 times 4, 3 times 4, that is 12. Okay? So, that is negative 12. And then, ang gagawin natin dito, combine like terms na lang siya. Remember, itong 8, negative 8x, at saka yung positive 15x, they are like terms. Okay, so kung susulat natin dito, unahin na lang natin yung mas malaki. So, 15x minus 8x. Okay. Yung x, parehong x, copy na lang natin to. And then 15 minus x, that is, of course, that is 7x. Okay, so yung answer natin dito is 7x. So, meaning to say, our final answer is, so, burahin lang natin to. Our final answer is, itong 10x, okay, yung 10x na yan, 10x squared, rather, at saka itong positive 7x. Why positive 7x? Kasi mas mataas yung sign ng 15 kaysa dun sa 8. Okay, that is positive 7x. And of course, the negative 12. Negative 12. Okay, so meaning to say, the final answer for the problem, if we multiply 2x plus 3 to 5x minus 4, the answer is 10x squared plus 7x minus 12. This is the final answer. Okay, so kung naguguluhan pa rin, um, mag-example pa tayo ng isa. Okay, so try natin ibang color. Yan. Okay, next. So, sulat ulit natin dito yung foil. F-O-I-L. Okay, again, ito yung F natin. Okay, yan. 3 times 2. Okay, F. 3 times 2, that is 6. X times X, that is X squared. Okay, so ilagay natin dito X. 6x squared. Okay, ito pa rin. Tapos multiply natin doon sa may last. Yan. 3x times negative 5. Okay, negative sign muna tayo. Negative times positive. That is negative. Okay, ito yung O na sinasabi. Negative times positive. Positive yung 3 natin dito. Negative yung 5 natin. So that is negative. Kaya may negative dito. And sa number naman tayo. 5 times 3, 15. Okay, dahan-dahan lang tayo para mas maintindihan. And then, since wala kapareho si x dito, walang x yung 5, sabi mo na lang dito. So that is negative 15x. Ayan. Next, dito naman tayo sa tinatawag na inner or yung I. Okay? So, negative muna tayo. Isasign muna tayo. Negative dito times dito ay positive. Walang sign. Ibig sabihin positive. So, negative times positive, that is negative. 1 times 2, that is 2. And x. Wala nang x dito sa kabila. So, ibig sabihin copy na lang yan. So, negative 2x. Okay? So, dito pa rin, multiply natin doon sa 5. Ito na yung tinatawag na L. Okay? So, negative. Ito, sasign muna tayo. Negative times negative. Okay? In multiplying negative by negative, the result is positive. Okay, negative times negative is always be a positive number. Ay, positive. Okay, and 5 times 1, that is 5. So that is 5. Okay, positive ito. Positive 5. Okay, ito. So ngayon, sunod na gagawin mo is yung combine like terms. Okay, ito. Okay, parehong may number, no? Parehong may number yan. And pareho din may x ito. X lang. Okay? Dito kasi may x siya pero may exponent niya 2. Ito, wala siyang exponent. The exponent nito is 1. Okay, kapag wala kayong nakikitang exponent, ibig sabihin that is 1. Okay, magkapareho sila. Kaya nga like means magkapareho. Okay, separate natin na solve yan. So, negative 15 minus 2x, ay yung x pa pala, yan, 2x. Okay, so plus natin yan. I-add natin sila. Ang gagawin mo dito, ang pinakamadaling na gagawin mo dito is that Kapag magkapareho ng sign, kapag mag-a-add ka ng magkaparehong sign, ayan, magkapareho ng sign, negative ito, negative yan. Kopyahin mo na lang yung sign. And then, ang gagawin mo sa number, i-add mo sila. So, 15 plus 2, that is 17 times. Tapos yung x, kapag mag-a-add ka, pag mag-a-add ka ng x, copy mo na lang kasi nag-add ka naman na ng number dito. So, negative 17x ang sagot. Okay? So, ayan. So, para mas maayos, isulat natin ito sa ganito. So, x, 6x squared minus 17x. Ito, 17x. Oh, nawala yung 6. 17x. Tapos itong 5x. Or 5 rather. Yung constant na 5. Okay? So, now, the final answer is ito. Okay? Yan. So, that is the example number 2. Okay? Kapag meron kayong question, pwede kayong mag-send sa akin. Pwede kayong mag-direct message or mag-comment um, sa mismong video na ito. Okay? So, nag-prepare ako dito ng 5 question na related to FOIL method. Okay? Itong 5 question na to, pwede nyo gamitin yung FOIL method. Okay? So, ayan, that's all for uh, today. About the FOIL method. Okay, again, FOIL method stands for the first, outer, inner, and last. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.